Hi, I'm Paul Gannon, the CEO of Thoughtcast Media, and I'm excited to share some great news that's designed to help you get even more value for your video production dollar. At Thoughtcast Media, we've always focused on making video production fast, easy, and cost-effective for our clients. As more businesses produce more video content than ever before, they need flexible solutions that scale with their needs. That's why we're excited to introduce our new pricing model. It's designed to give you more flexibility and more savings as you increase your video production output. We're now offering heavily discounted packages for recording time, so the more hours you purchase, the more you save. This is perfect if you're planning ongoing video projects or want to create brand new video collections. Even better, we're separating editing from capture, so now you only pay for the editing you need. For those of you with in-house editing teams, this new model is perfect. You can focus on producing great content while handling post-production internally, saving even more. Our goal is to support companies creating more video than ever by making the process even more affordable, scalable, and transparent. So if you're looking for smarter, more flexible video production, visit us at thoughtcastmedia.tv to learn more. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.